Hi guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. Okay, this is a quick extra bonus video. Michelle from the Junk Journal Studio just emailed me and said that she got her vertical Christmas words up. So I had to stop searching for those pictures. Any excuse to show you these things. Oh my gosh, are y'all ready? Oh, darn it, I got them the wrong way. Hold on. All right, we're going this way. And they're called vertical Christmas labels. Oh, so here we go. Oh, I hope I'm in far enough so you can see these lovely things. All right. Okay, so she starts off with a few vertical little things, but oh, look at this, look at this. Here we go. I know, aren't those cute? Those are just little hints of what's to come. And I love how she gives you the 3 different sizes. All right, so 3 different sizes in the words too. She has the small, medium, and large. But oh, aren't they so pretty? Yep. I will be using this one for forever. And then got them in green with cream backing because that was red and cream. So this is green with cream backing. And this is black and cream. Oh, well, she's got it on here. Black border. She's starting to put those things on there. You know, it helps us people who can't remember. Oh, you know, and then if you know, the way that she does these, if this is too big for you, then just, you can trim around here, make it that size, or you could trim around here and have that size. So you could actually get 1, 2, 3, 4 different size labels out of each one of these things by just how you cut around the word. And then this is not quite so creamy. It's kind of like a white and cream, like a tea wash. Same thing here. It's kind of a white and creamy tea wash on the words. And then these words on these are kind of a little more stressed around the label. So, you know, it's different colors and more distressed words and borders. Look at the cute little owl carrying his little Merry Christmas note. I love him. He's so cute. And this is, you know, the words in the black. And then she has stripes. They're cream. It's like cream red and gold with the green. But oh, aren't those so pretty? Okay, and then the next one, oh, plaid. Aren't they so cute? Okay, and then this one, it's got like some greenery in the background. Looks like hollies and stuff in the back with like a light cream. Oh, these are so pretty, Michelle. Yep, you're going to make a lot of people happy. These are some really pretty ones. And then little red ones that looks like some little ornaments in the background. You kind of see the details more on the bigger ones. But, oh, so cute, so cute. All right, guys. Well, there. Let me go run upstairs real quick and get this kit, this little Etsy share posted, and so that way y'all can go hop over there and buy. Oh, let me put this on here. Etsy shares, and also known as Etsy enablers. So I will get them upstairs and get them uploaded real quick, and that way y'all can go over there and check them out. But oh, aren't they so cute? Thank you, Michelle. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing a little more of your time with me. I hope you enjoy these. If it's something you're looking for, get up there and get them so you can use them. And I will see y'all later. Have a great day, blessed day. Lots of kisses, lots of love. And thank you again, Michelle, for doing this for us. All right, bye, guys.